Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chicken mince preparation. Half a kilogram chicken or mutton minced. 3 tablespoons chopped coriander. 3 tablespoons fresh mint leaves. 9 chopped green chilies. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons corn flour. 1 chopped onion. 2 tablespoons dry pomegranate seeds. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 2 teaspoons crushed coriander seeds. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons oil. Mix everything nicely. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Cover and keep for 30 minutes. Dough preparation. 4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon instant dry yeast. 1 tablespoon sugar powder. Combine everything nicely. 1 cup warm milk. Mix it nicely. 1 cup warm water, add gradually. Make the soft dough. 1 tablespoon oil. Cover and keep for 1 hour. 1 hour later. One teaspoon oil. Knead it quickly. Divide the dough in 10 equal parts. Roll into flat bread. Spread the minced mixture to the flat bread. Bake in preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add sliced cucumber, carrot, tomato or any veggies. Add garlic sauce, recipe in the description box. If you want it to be spicy, add chili sauce. Garlic sauce. Chili sauce. Chicken mince bread is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.